Welcome. If you're looking to browse privately on your device, using Incognito Mode in Google Chrome is a quick and easy way to do it. Whether you want to keep your search history hidden or just want a little more privacy, I'll show you the updated steps to open Incognito Mode in Chrome as of 2025. Let's get started. First, find and open the Chrome app on your device. You'll usually see the familiar red, yellow, green, and blue icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap it to launch Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu. Tap on these 3 dots to open a list of options. From the menu that appears, select New Incognito tab. As soon as you tap this, a new tab will open with a dark background, letting you know you're now browsing in Incognito Mode. You'll also see a little icon of a hat and glasses next to the address bar, which is another sign that you're in private browsing mode. While in Incognito Mode, Chrome won't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data from this session. This means that when you close all your Incognito tabs, your activity from those tabs won't appear in your browser history. However, keep in mind that Incognito Mode doesn't make you invisible. Online websites you visit, your employer, or your internet service provider may still be able to see your activity. If you want to switch back to normal browsing, just close all your Incognito tabs and you'll return to your regular Chrome session. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to browse privately whenever you need. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it and help others stay informed about the latest Chrome features. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.